happy Monday morning, everyone. Hope you're all good, had a good weekend. So today, it's bank holiday. Brannan's in, I'm in, the other boys are off. So Brannan's I'm going to meet Brannan at a job now. Our new re-render job of the whole house. So I'm going to take him there. He's going to start hacking off the old. So I'll take you there now, and then I've got to go down, do some other bits and bobs, get stuff prepped for other jobs, pick up some other bits and bobs, and then do some stuff, other content and stuff like that. So let's go crack 'em. Let's go to Brixham and I'll take you to the new job. Look at that, what a perfect start. So here we are. What we're going to do is hack off this render here, up to that point there, to next doors, hack all this off. I'm going to re-render it. This point here is dropped slightly, so we're going to check that once we take the render off to see if any of the bricks have dropped. Put a new LED flash in throughout. And then what we're going to do is chuck everything in this area here, so then we can get a grab lorry just to reach from there, take all the waste away. But it doesn't look, you see there, it's all cracked. So I think times you get behind it, should pop off nice and easy, fingers crossed. So Brannan's cracking on with this today. Go around the side to do here, this front bit, and then the same on the back, which is on top of an extension that we've done previously a couple of years ago. So we've got to do on top of that as well. And then we've got to reach up to the chimney, re-flash the chimney, and re-render that as well. So on this render job, we're going to use a Pro Rend. So all we're going to do, once this is off, get the base coat on, we can get a nice sponge finish. So it's going to be nice and smooth, because at the minute it's a heavy kind of terraline finish, as you can see. It's horrible, I don't like that. So yeah, we're going to do a nice smooth finish, put new beads up everywhere, we're going to mesh it all, and then where any air bricks are and stuff like that, just going to bead around it all, render around it nice and smooth, job done. So waiting for scaffold, and it should be hopefully tomorrow. It was supposed to be a week ago, but shock, get let down by contractors as usual. So hopefully tomorrow, Wednesday, it should be here, so then we crack on with the rest of the build. But Brannan's going to crack on with what he can reach today. So just the lower sections, probably about 6-7 foot high, and that's all he can do all around here. That's what he's going to do today, so get you on a time lapse. Right, so this detail here, we're just going to quickly angle grind down. So I've put a stop bead there, so we can blend in nicely. I mean, ideally it would be nice to get an expansion joint there, but I don't think we're going to be able to do that. We'll see what it's like after, once we've done it. So yeah, Brannan's going to angle grind this out now, and then he can start chiseling back all the way down through. Right, so that's Brannan sorted there now. He's going to crack on with that today. Get as much done as he can. Obviously without scaffolding, he can only reach a certain amount. So I'm going back now, get some bits and bobs done. How rude. Yeah, so I'll go back and get some bits and bobs sorted, and catch some more content that I needed. Because very, very soon, I can't say too much yet, until everything's all verified, etc. But there's some massive, massive news coming soon, so really excited for that. So hopefully everything all comes off. It's annoying I can't tell you lot, but yeah, very soon hopefully you should find out if it all goes through and all goes well. But very, very big news coming soon, so stay tuned. Right, so I've just come back from Brixham, back at my house, which I've had to hack this top coat off. So I think it was a year or 2 years ago, I had someone come in, I'd done the scratch coat, ready to go, they come topped it, but for some reason they put no cement in it and just done a pure lime top coat, and it's just been absolutely shocking. We had a patch up here at one point, I come out in the morning, and the paint literally just blew off, and it was all over the drive, absolutely everywhere. So I finally got round to doing it. I've literally hacked it off yesterday, so easy, piece of cake. I could basically just use the chisel bit on the SDS and just scrape it off. But I've got that all off. I've got someone to come in this week to top it all, so that's all done, finished. But I want to show you this G-deck. So So this is the G-deck I use, so working platform, but I don't think you've seen these before. So these are the side supports. So the stabilisers basically stabilise the whole platform. Obviously, as you can imagine, rocking back and forth. And all you need to do, they just attach into the side here, in there, and obviously brace there, pinned there. So you've got one there and one down here. It does exactly the same. Do that on both sides, and then you've got a cross support brace. Put that into these as well, and that's it then. So if you haven't checked out G-deck, make sure you check them out. They're brilliant. I love their stuff for the versatility of them. So, you know, working platforms, scaffolding, anything like that. So the legs I've got here, because you get 2 different legs. I think it's 2 or 3. These ones here, which are welded on, as you can see, they are the multi-legs. The multi-legs mean they have, so as you can see these holes here, they have multiple holes all the way up. So as you can imagine, when we're doing different sites, the floor isn't going to be perfectly level. Okay, so that gives us the opportunity to adjust the height of each leg to suit the floor, and then it enables us to have a nice level working platform. If you're somewhere that's flat and level, that's fine, no problems at all. You can choose your standard. So they usually use it for an internal load out on a new build, something like that, where they could use just the same standard legs, and that doesn't worry at all. But as you can see, have the handrail braces then. So it all works nicely. So yeah, that's it. That was my Sunday job yesterday. Just about to go out now, get some content on some certain bits, and try and make the most of the nice weather, because the kids are out, the grandparents as well. So it means I've got my camera wife coming out to help me. What else is there? I think that's it. But wherever we go, I'll take you with us. I forgot to show you as well, actually, my new workwear. VX3, so it's a local company to me in Torbay. But I've got it all printed, as you can see. All embroidered. Polos, the shorts. So they're proper smart. Actually looks smart for once, makes a change. So I use these now and keep a clean one in the van with me. So anytime I go to look at a job or anything like that, I can actually look a bit more presentable instead of looking like a typical dirty workman. If you, check them out on social media as well, VX3. They do gym stuff around the local area. They sponsor or supply the kits for a lot of football teams and rugby teams. They also have like gym wear, stuff like that, so it's really good stuff. Quality of it is brilliant as well. So give them a check out. As you can see, I've got a 40-foot container, and it's absolutely ramadama-ding-dong full of stuff. So I'm going to find some bits and bobs in here quickly, if I can. Watch your head. Should have a hard out in here, really. I think it's behind fucking everything. So I just got a bit of Celotex for our job we're doing, hacking off the render. I'm going to put it over the roof light to protect it, and then we've got some matchstick on the roof. Protection. What else? I think that's it. Right, let's shoot off. Tuesday morning, I've got renderers doing some rendering on my house, top coat, and then I've got me, Dan and Josh going to Rachel's house and painting. I'm going to plaster the whole lounge today. Brannon and Sean are in Torquay doing the, I think they're doing chippy work today at the municipal building, and that is it. So let's crack on and get on with the day. Right, here we go. So we've got Mike and Aaron just finishing off the top coat here. So if you are in the Torbay area, check these out. Okay, so all we're going to do is just rectify a couple little bits ready to go, and then they're going to crack on and get our top coat done. And then, like I said, me and the boys are going to go elsewhere, so we're going to shoot off now. Dan's just dropping off the stand, and then we're off. So this is the room we are plastering today. It's all been primered with a plaster primer, Boss stick. Josh is just coming over the little holes now on the walls. Everywhere's been protected, ready to go. This wall here has been SBR'd. So yeah, me, Dan and Josh are going to do it in a 1 in a second. Just getting everything prepped, ready to go. And then we're going to blitz out, get this room done, finished. And then the next project is outside. So what we're going to do is digging all this area up, all out here, and we're going to resin with some silver glitter all the way down through here. So that's the next project. Once this is done out of the way, we'll crack on with the outside work. So we've got Arsenal fan, Liverpool fan, Dirty Id. So Josh is a Tottenham fan, which is great because there's so much to banter about, especially not winning any trophies or anything. Isn't that right, Josh?
Are you the best team in England?
We're in charge of my music today.
Did you win the league or did Leicester?
So was that when you won the Audi Cup? Right, happy Wednesday. I've just come out, the kids are up here nice and early, playing this silly song. Christ almighty. I bet everyone's the same, can't wait for the kids to go back to school. Get up at like 6 o'clock playing stupid songs all the time. So here is the finished product that the boys finished yesterday. I was going to record it, but took the scaffolding down, it's absolutely pissing down. So that's that job done. Right, so we're cracking on. Dan just come up, pick me up. We're jumping in the tipper. Just loaded some of my ground protection mats. So we're going to go to the rendering job now. Put the ground protection mats on the flat roof, so it protects the flat roof from when we're hacking the render off. I'm going to meet the 3 renderers there as well, so we're going to drop off a bit, see them, come back, pick my van up again, go to another job. Me and Dan going elsewhere. So let's crack on. So here we are, just sorting out the scaffolding's going up now. Mike and his boys are here, just to carry on hacking off the render, and then we're pro-rendering all across the whole house. So once the scaf's finished, finally, we can crack on. Me and Dan have just dropped off some gear, we dropped off the ground protection mats, beads, etc. So it's all ready to go. And then we are off back to Rachel's now to crack on with some outside work, getting ready for rendering there. We plastered it all up yesterday, so just finishing some bits and bobs. Right, so I've just quickly left the rendering job. I've quickly come down to catch a few videos of the recent resin footpath and steps we've done. I'm going to just spin you around, as you can see. Now the handrails all been fitted in. It's really, really smart. So the rendering on the wall's been finished, and the handrail. Now all we've got to do left now is just finish off the shrubs and the bushes in this section here, just to add a bit more colour to the area. But apart from that, it's banging now. So yeah, as you can see, we've concreted this area here, and then we re-resined all the way through, some stainless beads around the perimeter, and then obviously the steps. Right, now I've finished all the videos for there. I'm just gonna shoot off, lock up the doors and that, and I'm off. Get some bits and bobs quickly now elsewhere. Boys are finishing off. They're going to get all the prep work done and completed today for the rendering job. So then when Mike's back next week as well, they're all going to crack on. They're going to get the 10mm sand and cement coat with mesh fitted in, just obviously because the brickwork's so shocking. I'm going to reinforce that, and then we're going to pro-rend over the top of that. So once we've done that, I said I'm not going to be in next week, so there ain't going to be much to show you really. Well, there will be, but not straight away. Once I've got everything all sorted, I'll be able to show you exactly what I'm doing next week. But until then, you'll have to wait. Right, let's jump in the van and crack on. Right, me and best bud go for a haircut, aren't we, mate?
Yeah.
Want to say hello?
Hello. Fortnite.
Obsessed with Fortnite at the minute. Right, we're both going to get our haircut. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Isn't that right, Oaks?
Yeah.
Drop a comment below. Let us know what else you want to see, and we will get it done for you. Enjoy your weekend. Got my best bud as my little cameraman at the minute, aren't you, mate?
Yeah.
You wanted to record me, didn't you?
Uh-huh.
What, did you want to ask me some questions, did you?
Yeah.
What do you want to ask?
How good are you at driving?
I should be a rally racer, shouldn't I?
Yeah.
My driving's excellent.
Where are we going to today to get our hair done?
We're going to go to Felton's, aren't we?
Yeah.
That's where we always go together, don't we?
There's a PlayStation there.
That's why you like it, isn't it?
Josh Clark.
Right, we're literally quickly going down to the driving range. Me, Josh and Dan, and Oakley's coming with me because we're getting our haircut straight after. We promised, yeah, I said to the lads we would go this Friday, so quick go down. I can only do about 10 balls, I've got to go, so we're in a bit of a rush. So we'll quickly show you who's got the best drive. Shall we, Oaks? You gonna be cameraman?
Yeah.
Right, it's in a second, we're here now.
Hey guys, we have finished the golf range now. Now we are going to our haircut at Felton's. To meet you there.
As stated before, you can use resin bound on driveways, footpaths and pool surrounds, anything like that. If you want something similar to this, contact me, Tony at tddconstruction, and we'll create something similar to this.